A powerful prayer for healing. Dear God, Heavenly Father, I come before you in humility, recognizing your infinite love and boundless power. You are the source of all healing and restoration, and I turn to you in this moment of need. Please move through every muscle, every nerve, every organ. Ease the aches, calm the inflammation, and flood my body with your restorative power. Let health and vitality circulate through me with every breath and every heartbeat. Where there is hurt, bring comfort. Where there is fear, bring courage. Where there is confusion, bring clarity. Heal the memories that cause me pain and release the heavy emotions I have been carrying. Help me to lay these burdens down at your feet for good. Reignite the divine spark within me. Heal the disconnect I sometimes feel. Fill us with a profound sense of purpose, peace, and unwavering love. Remind me that I am never, ever alone on this journey. Please, Father, lay your healing hand upon me. Touch the places that are hurting, whether visible or hidden. Pour out your healing grace upon me, that I may experience your restoring power and comfort. Lord, you have promised in your word that you are the God that heal us. I cling to this promise today and ask for your healing to flow through every fiber of my being.